Hi everybody, this is Mary from Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today I just want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Happy holidays, whatever it is for you this time of year. I usually send out Christmas cards to my customers, but this year, being in the trailer, it's a little hard to do the Christmas cards. So what I am going to do this year for my customers is that if you have purchased from me anytime in 2018, January 1st, whatever, up until today, tomorrow, wherever, whenever, purchase from me my Stampin' Up products, or I am your demonstrator on your Paper Pumpkin subscription, I will pay for I will reimburse you your shipping on orders placed with me and using the Hostess Code Y9QQMRXC from December 20th through December 23rd. Okay, get that? If you ordered from me anytime during January 28th or January 2018, from January 2018 to present, even today, tomorrow, up until the 20th, if you've ordered from me, or I'm your Paper Pumpkin demonstrator, if you order and use the Hostess Code Y9QQMRXC, I will reimburse you via PayPal your shipping costs for those orders that you order December 20th through 23rd. Again, you must use the Hostess Code though, or I can't tell. So the Hostess Code is Y9QQMRXC. I'll just put it right down there. I hope you guys all have a great Christmas. Remember, if you've ordered from me anytime in 2018, and I have that listing in my order things, you can order online, marytroutner.stampinup.net, shop now button, and I will reimburse you your shipping costs. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Thanks for visiting. Bye-bye.